Hello, welcome to this update for Europe. Let's just see very quick what's happening with this storm. So we had those strong storms in France yesterday, I think Monday, and very large hail, and a lot of things happened. But today is Wednesday, so the storms were Monday. So here Wednesday we do have a level 1 still for strong storms, spots of Germany and spots southeastern Europe as well. But these areas with lightning might get some strong storms as well. So a level 1 was issued for parts Adriatic Sea and the Balkan states, mainly for regionally augment the risk of either one of the following hazards of heavy rain, large hail, or severe gusts, or isolated tornado threat or water spout. So level 1 was issued parts of southwest Germany, mainly for some hail and heavy rain reports. So be careful there too. We do have here this hail probabilities and lightning, so show some hail probabilities southeastern Europe with those storms, and also northern Italy and even Czechia shows some like northern Algeria, some higher probabilities too throughout today, so be careful. There's Thursday still shows maybe in Turkey, spots of southeastern Europe, and still in northern Africa, so be careful in those areas. And now here shows those storms today, maybe a few storms southern Germany on the European model, and maybe later in the night into Czechia, some stronger storms. So be careful. There's like some other models. The ARPREG shows some snow in the Alps. Those storms southwestern Germany might be stronger in the afternoon, and then maybe some later further east. So there's the icon too that can help. Shows like some storms like southwestern Germany. This goes and does show some into Czechia maybe early on Thursday still, but this changes a lot. We'll keep watching. But in the Alps, does show some heavy snow still, as this cold air mass comes to those below average temperatures. So show some heavier snow there and some heavy rain to the Balkans, some areas by Thursday and Friday. So be aware spots of the Balkans too, and this goes into northeastern Europe by Saturday. That rain. So be aware those areas so you can see better here. The European shows like that deep low pressure spots of northeastern Europe, not northeastern, like around Denmark and Sweden, a big low pressure there that's bringing those below average temperatures further down, and those storms, some rain as well. So here there's the Arrow model. It doesn't cover all of Europe, but it does show those storms in Germany. So shows like some showers in Switzerland, some in northern France, southern UK, some more rain. Then those storms they go, and shows more rain tomorrow, and the snow starts in the Alps. But here, let's see if I play it again around this afternoon. So shows like, let's see, those showers in France, a few storms start in Germany, as you can see southwestern Germany, some storms start there, and yeah, so stay safe in those areas, be careful. There's here like for, let's see if I get the icon again, shows some cape. So it that doesn't show that much, but does show some instability into southwestern Germany, a little bit of energy for those storms. So be careful. A little bit in Poland too, and southeastern Europe, some cape might make some stronger storms with hail. So this goes and does show a little bit central Czechia, but like less than 1,000 joules per kilogram. But be careful in all of those areas in case of strong storms. Does show in northern Africa more as well, so be careful in those areas. And here shows like, let's see a little bit better those below average temperatures. So does show here like on the temperature thing shows like that mass of cold air spots northern Europe. This goes and it comes south like directly from the north into Central Europe. So it does show like throughout like Thursday, Friday, those colder temperatures Central Europe. This goes and maybe into Southeastern Europe later by Sunday. And then still shows slightly below average later, maybe some spots above average later next week. So be careful in those areas, especially like it won't get that cold, but it does show like especially by Friday morning colder in the Alps, especially very colder in the high elevations, slightly colder in the Pyrenees as well, more spots in central Spain, and then nothing too crazy, but slightly colder. But like in the Alps, still to -6 by Saturday, and some spots warmer, like southern Portugal, southern Spain, much warmer, and spots of Russia already warmer, Greece, Turkey as well. So yeah, be aware. But these spots, Germany, into Czechia, Slovakia, slightly colder in a few spots, and like Norway, Sweden. So nothing crazy, but some colder temperatures coming in some areas. So be careful. Let's see if we get some snow maps here for the Alps, a little bit more high resolution models. So does show here like let's get the correct one. So in static maps, let's see if we can make this work. In the Alps first, because it's the main place that will snow a lot. So I just pressed Iberia, but it's actually the Alps. So here does show more snow like central, even western Alps, and does show those reds. That's red is like 25 to 50 centimeters, and some spots higher, like in the westernmost Alps, even shows to 75. A few portions in the highest parts of Austria too, and into Italy and Switzerland. So be careful. Those areas, some snow here for the Pyrenees doesn't show as much, but there might be some snow still around 10 to 15 centimeters or a little bit less. So be aware those areas, and yeah, be careful, especially those storms there. As you can see this afternoon, stronger storms southeastern Europe, spots central Europe. So yeah, be aware. And some wind maybe spots further north there into Scandinavia, shows in Denmark, strong gusts Thursday, northern Germany, be careful, and even southern France, strong gusts spots of Italy. So Thursday, Friday, and then this goes potentially later on Sunday, a low pressure to pass just north of the UK with stronger gusts. We're watching that as well. So be careful. There'll still be snow in other spots of Norway and Sweden next 5 days, and central Iceland in the mountains. So be careful. Finland, but especially Sweden, a little bit heavier. So be aware. And you can see there in the Alps too, there's a thing or two in the Balkans, but like very little. The GFS nothing shows more in the Alps and the Norway, Sweden, Finland, especially even to 54 centimeters in Sweden, it shows. So be careful. And the Europeans also showing more than 100 millimeters of rain in the next 5 days, spots of southeastern Europe near Romania, spots of Serbia, not much in Kosovo, but more than 70 in a few spots. Shows more in Albania, Montenegro. The GFS doesn't have that. It has like some storms, but not much. The icon also shows later Macedonia and Bulgaria more, and spots of Italy as well. So be careful. Even showing some in southern Spain later, like northeastern Spain, they'll have some showers Thursday because of the entry of that cold air mass, as well as northern Italy, those storms and snow. So be careful. Those storms might cause heavy rain in a few spots, and maybe northern UK later, even Iceland. So yeah.